Welcome to section 6.3, adding and subtracting rational expression. Learning objective, please read, Ryan.
Number one, add rational expression to the same denominator, and then subtract rational expression to the same denominator, find the least common denominator, add and subtract rational expressions to different denominators. Next, add and subtract rational expressions with opposite denominators.
Do now, we have three terms here. You need to find the meaning of their meaning. Use the internet or the book. Let's take a look at summary. If the denominator are the same, add or subtract the denominators. Place the result over the common denominator. If the denominator are different, write our rational expression with the least common denominator, LCD. The LCD is polynomial consisting of the product of all prime factors in the denominators, with each factor raised to the greatest power of its occurrence in any denominators. Once all rational expressions are written in terms of LCD, add or subtract as described above. Simplify the result if possible. So let's take a look at one of the examples. Do we have same denominator here? No. We have different denominators. So in this case, we need to find the LCD. To find the LCD, we have to factor first. So to factor this, you take 2 as a common, and you put the remaining. To factor this, this is a trinomial factoring. So you get x minus 3, x plus 3. Now the question comes here. What is coming in both sides?
X minus 1.
X minus 1 is here, x minus 1 here. So what is missing here?
X minus 3.
The 2, right? The 2 is missing, correct? So you have to add 2 here. If you multiply 2 here, you have to multiply 2 in the top. What is missing also?
X plus 3.
X plus 3. So you have to add x plus 3 here as well. If you play in the bottom, you play in the top. Is it clear? Now do you have common? Yes. Now it's everything is common here. Now you subtract the top. So it's going to multiply this together and then minus 2 x. This one is multiplication. So it's 2 times 2 give you 4. Okay. So you have to multiply the x plus 1 times x plus 3. And that's what they give you. And here is going to give you minus 4x. After you get this result, you have to combine like terms. When you combine like terms, negative 4x plus 4x, they cancel. And you get x squared plus 3. Is this clear? So this is summary. Let me give you, go to step-by-step solution, okay? So I have y squared minus 9, y squared minus 9. Are you lucky here? Are you lucky? Yes, because they are the same. So all you have to do is just write y squared minus 9. And I can factor this is going to be y minus 3, y plus 3. What about the top? You have y squared plus 9 minus 6y. So I just want to put it in order so it will look better. Can I factor the top? Yes, factor the top. So what do you get? y, correct? 9 is what by what? 3 times 3. Huh?
Minus 3.
Minus 3, minus 3. Now to check your answer, what should you do? Multiply a negative 3 times negative e gives you 9. And the middle is going to be negative 6y. What about the denominator? Still, we write the same denominator. Now, can I cancel y minus 3? Yes. So what's your final answer? Y minus 3 over y plus 3. Can I cancel the y with a y?
No.
Can I cancel?
No.
The answer is no. Can I cancel 3 with a 3? Why? Because they are
Subtraction.
bounded together. And what type of boundary? Subtraction. Here is plus. Clear? Move on. Okay. Yeah, Ryan, can you tell me, are you lucky here or not lucky?
You are lucky.
Good. So all you have to do is just do the factoring. So what's the factoring here? X and X. 7 is what by what? 7 times 1. What about the sign?
Sign,
Positive,
positive.
negative. And in the top here, you're going to have what? What's the top here? X squared minus 2 minus 19 plus 4x. So x squared plus 4x minus 20, 21. Now 21 is what by what?
3, 3, 7.
3 and 7. That's correct.
Positive, negative.
Positive, negative. Positive. Positive 7, negative 3. That's correct. Now, do you like to kill?
Yes.
Can you kill this? And what's your final answer?
X1 is 3 over X minus 1.
Very good. Can I cancel the x with x? The answer is no.
They are 1.
Boundary. Okay. Ryan, can you please help him to find the page because he's like kind of lost.
So page is 239. That's not the best section.
All right, let's move to the next one. He's asking you to find the LCD. So to find the LCD, 25 is what? 5 times 5, correct? And x times x. 35 is what by what? 5 times 7, correct? And x. Now we take the common and the non-common. What? This is common, not common, not common, common, common. So 25 times 7, how much?
Seven.
25 times 7, 100?
150.
Are you sure? 25,
175.
100, 7 times 5, how much? 7 times 3, 175. So that's your LCD. Easy as easy. Let's go to the next one. What's LCD here? What's the factor of this?
4 to 4.
What's the factor of this?
Same, 4 to 4.
4 and 4? What's the sign?
Positive, positive. Negative.
Negative, negative. Okay. Now, do we have x minus 4 here and here?
Yes.
So that's fine. Do we have x plus 4 here?
No.
So we have to add this. Do we have another x minus 4 here? No. So your LCD for this one is going to be x minus 4 squared, because you have 2 times. And what else you need? x plus 4. So that's your LCD. Easy as easy. You take the common and the non-common. Let's move on. He said add. Are you lucky, Ryan?
Yeah,
Why?
and they're not the same. Nothing.
So we have to make it the same. So what should I add here, Ryan?
5x.
5 and x. If you play in the bottom,
And,
play in the top. Now do you have the same? Yes. So you have 5x squared. Top is going to be what? 50x. Can I add 50x plus 3? No. Easy as easy. Move on. Ryan, are you lucky?
No,
Why?
it's they're not.
So we need to make them the same, right? So what should I do? I have to add what?
It's like
Here I have to add x plus 1, correct?
Yes.
And in the top x plus 1. What about here? What should I add?
x minus 2.
If you bring in the bottom,
Play in the top.
so now you have all the same now. X plus 1 times x minus 2. 4 times x, how much?
4x.
Plus 4. 3 times x, how much?
3x.
3 times 2.
Minus 6.
Can you combine like terms?
Yes.
What do you get?
9x.
7x
The same as
minus 2 over what?
4x plus 1 will be x minus 6.
Excellent. Can I cancel the 2 with the 2? Why?
The one.
There is boundary. Clear? Move on. Okay, next one. Abdel Minim. Are you lucky?
No,
Why not lucky?
I will factor it first and
Yes, factor this first. What do you get?
what? 20.
Good. Now, are you lucky?
What is it?
So you have to multiply this times what?
Y minus 2.
Very good. If you play in the bottom,
Then
now you have the same denominator, correct? Now the top would be y, 3y plus 7 minus 3y plus 6.
it's here 6y minus 1.
Okay?
6y plus 1.
So if you add them, what are you going to get you if you add them? You get this cancel with this, right? And you get 7 plus 6, how much?
1
13 over what? Y minus 2 over
plus
y minus 3. Is that clear? Clear or not clear?
clear.
Move on. Are you lucky here? Ryan, lucky?
No,
Why?
because they're not the same.
They're not the same. So I have to do what? I have to factor first so I can make it the same, right? So let's factor this. What do you get? 5x and x. 12 is what by what? 3 by 3 by 4. 3 by 4. If you do the happy face, what do you get? You get 20x and you get 15x. Correct? Is the difference is -4?
Other term, you mean x? Yeah.
We need -4. Do we have -4 here? No. So we cannot use 4 and 3. So what should we use? 2 and 6. Correct? So if you put 6 here, we said 3 and 4. And we have 2 and 6. What else we have?
1 and
12 and 1. Correct? So what value should we use? We said 5x, 5x, correct? No, 5x and 1x, because it's 5. That's our mistake. So let's try 2 and 3 and 4 again. This is 3 and 4. This give you what? 3x, and this give you 20. It will not give you. So let's switch places.
2, 6, I think.
Put 4 here and 3 here. 3 times 5, 15. 4, it will not give you 4. So now we're going to try 2 and 6.
But I think
6 here and 2 here. 6x, 10x. Does it give you 4x?
Yes.
Can we have negative? Yes. Is this clear? Clear or not clear?
Clear.
Now, what about this one sign? This is positive, and this one should be negative, because the bigger one, we need the negative sign for it, okay? So this could be negative what? Negative 2. Because 2 times 5 give you what? 10. Okay? Up to here is clear? Now, what about this one? We have x minus 2. Do we have to add anything here? Yes, we have to add 5x plus 6. If you play in the bottom, you have to play where? In the top. What else is missing here? X minus 2. So if you play in the bottom, play in the top. Up to it is clear? Now we have the same denominator. What's the same denominator? All this. So it's going to be 5x plus 6 and x minus 2. What about the top? The top will be 3x minus 6 minus 20x minus 24. And what about this one here? It's going to be what? X square minus x. Now what should I do next, Ryan? Combine
Like terms.
like terms. Which one is like terms here, Ryan? So they give you what, Ryan? X square minus what?
Minus the 18.
18x minus 30. Over what? 5x plus 6, x minus 2. Is this clear? Can I factor the top?
Yes.
What's the two numbers times each other give you 18? They're 30 times two numbers times each other give you 30, and their total is 18, negative 18.
9.
30 is what by what?
6.
6 times 5. Or it could be 30 times 1. Or it could be 3 times 10. Does any one of this will give you
No.
18? What about 2 times 9?
2 times 15.
No, 2 times 15, correct. 2 times 15. Does this give you 18?
No.
No. So none of them. So that's your final answer. This is your final answer. Is that clear? Okay, I need someone to do the next one. Who can do the one on the next one on the board? Ryan, can you do the next one on the board?
Sure.
You think it's easy?
Inshallah.
The only thing that you have to do, yeah, Ryan,
Six
is to
minus
change
one.
this to negative. And when you change this to negative, you change everything here.
Awesome.
Okay? This become what? Y squared minus 16. It will be the same thing like the one on the left side. I just wanted to help you with this. Okay?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Should I continue?
Yeah, continue, please.